Namaste. This is a guided yoga meditation practice, ekataa, Oneness Meditation. Settle down. Get comfortable. You can be seated or lying down. Scan your body. Start from your feet. Notice your legs. Notice your spine. Relax your shoulders. Bring attention to your arms, to your face. Soften face. Keep a gentle smile on your lips. Start noticing your breath. Bring your attention to your breath as you breathe in and breathe out. Focus on your breath throughout this guided experience, guided meditation, oneness, ekataa. This meditation is on the state of oneness, being connected. Follow the rising and falling of your chest, the expansion and contraction with each breath, flowing in through the nose, flowing out from the nose. There is nothing to get to. It is already in you. Peace. Peace is within you as you watch your breath. Allow to become aware of that which keeps us from experiencing oneness. Through this guided meditation, staying focused on the breath, allow your monkey mind and outer distractions to begin to slow down, to even dissolve. At the center of your being is rhythm, pulsation, expansion, and contraction. For the next minute or so, concentrate on the rhythm, pulsation of your breath. As you exhale, release everything that you do not need. Allow your mind, chattering of your mind, to quieten down. As you breathe, notice that everything in the universe is pulsating, oscillating between two poles. Experience being connected, being one with everything around you. There is the daily rhythm of day and night. Ocean tides advance and recede. There are natural cycles of growth and decay. Each and every atom is vibrating, pulsating. Every wave of energy is oscillating. Your breath, the center of your being, is part of this universal rhythm. As you focus on your breath, experience your breath, notice oneness with everything in the universe. Oneness is being one with everything, no barriers, no differences. We create a timeless space of oneness and greater sense of wholeness within and connection with the world at large. One earth, supporting, sustaining, nurturing everything and everyone. Water, vital for survival of life on this planet Earth. Same water in various forms, nurturing, nourishing everything around us. One sun, energy, fire, heat, the very source of life for everyone from the same sun. Air that we breathe, air flowing in, flowing out. Same air, each and every one, every living being breathing same air to survive, to live. Notice the space. Become aware of the space. Space in which all planets, stars, and galaxies, everything and everyone on this earth, surviving in the same space. Notice oneness, being connected, being one with everything, one earth, one water, various forms, one water, one sun, one air, one space. Same earth, water, fire, air, and space for everyone. No barriers, no differences. At both the smallest and the largest extremes of scale, in this universe, everything pulsates and breathes. The expansion of the universe is perhaps just one inhalation of the cosmic breath. Everything breathes. As you notice your breath, as you identify with your breath, you tune into universal connectedness, oneness. Follow your breath. Notice the energy within you, around you. Let us create a timeless space of oneness and greater sense of wholeness within and connected with the entire universe, with the world at large. You are not a stranger in this universe, not alone. You are connected to everything around you. Follow your breath. In through your nose, out from the nose. In, out. Continue watching your breath. Slowly stop watching your breath. Keep your eyes closed. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently open your eyes. Namaste. Yoga to Master the Mind. This is a book to dive deeper into the wisdom of yoga. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Yoga with Anjani, the right way to yoga.